Hello students, in my last video I have told you the basic definition of matrix and a few important concepts related to matrix. Now in this video we will do the questions based on determinant. So what I have explained you, if A is a matrix, then determinant of A, which is also represented like this, is evaluated. It's a number, it's a calculation, it's a number. Okay, so if A is equal to A, B, C, D, right? So what is determinant A? Then in that case, determinant of A is A into D minus B into C. Or if I write the matrix of in this form, A11, A12, A21, A22, then determinant of A is equal to A11, A22 minus A12 into A21. Right? Now same way, if you have a 3 cross 3 matrix, okay, suppose you have a 3 cross 3 matrix. Let me write it A11, A12. As I explained you, this is a standard format to write down the matrix. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now if I want to write down the determinant for this, it is A11 and into determinant value of A22, A23, A32, A33. So when I write A11, okay, so you hide the column corresponding to A11 and row corresponding to A11. Whatever is a visible, that determinant, which is also the idea of minor, right? Second term is with always negative sign. So A12 negative sign. And now if I hide the first row, because this is 1, and second column, what is visible? A21, A23, A31, A33. So this will give me the determinant value. Then plus A13. So what is left now? First row and third column. So A21, A22, A31, A32. Correct? So this will give me the determinant value. So this is how we solve the determinant. So let's do few questions based on this. So now the first question is, find the determinant value of A. The matrix A is this, right? So determinant of A is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. So minus 2 minus of minus 20. 5 into 4, 20, minus 20. So minus 2 plus 20, that is 18. So this is my answer. Correct? Now let's move to the next question. Determinant of A is equal to, if this is A, determinant of A is 2 into 7 minus 4 into 1. That is 7 2s are 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. Let's move to the next question. Now determinant of A is equal to 2 into 1 minus 0 into minus 3. So it is 2 minus 0, that is 2. Right? Now come to this one. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first element, determinant of A is equal to 1. Okay. This is 1. And determinant of 1, 2, 2, 1. Minus 2. This element with minus sign. Then if I hide this column and this row, what is visible? 2, 2, 2, 1. Plus 2. If I hide the last column and the first row, 2, 1, 2, 2. Right? So it is 1 1s are 1 minus 4. Minus 2. This one is 2 1s are 2 minus 4. Plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 2. So 1 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2. You can do directly also, since many students are little confused in science. That's why I am writing everything. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Plus 4. Right? So this will become 5. Right? So the determinant value is 5 here. Now let us go to the next question. This is again like a formula which I have given you. A, so BC minus F square. See, you can directly do. If you don't want to write this determinant, you can directly do. Okay, so how you do directly? See, first number is, I'll show you here. First number is 1. Then in bracket, this into this minus this into this. So 1 minus 4. Okay, center one is minus 2. Center one is minus 2. Then this minus this. So 2 ones are 2 minus 4. Then third one is plus 2. So this minus this. So 2 twos are 4 minus 2. So this is minus 3. This is 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. So minus 3 plus 8, which is equal to 5. So directly also you can write, if you skip this step, is perfectly okay. Right? Now here minus h. Now minus h will give me hc. Okay, hc minus fg plus g. So it will give me hf minus gb. So this will be the determinant value. Okay. Now one more question came. So I'll write 2, then in bracket 2 twos are 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Then minus of central element, it is already minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. Then bracket, then minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. Then plus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, minus 2. So 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 twos are 6. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Again minus 1. So 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So answer become 4 here. Okay. So we are done with all the question of determinant. I hope all of you understood determinant. Practice as much as possible. It will give you more confidence. I will show you how to do this determinant in calculator. So in my next video, I will upload how to use the calculator. I have already shared one video where I have shown how to use the calculator. I have shown the model of calculator also. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to find out inverse. Thank you.